Hi everyone, Jen Chesnick here today for Chic Tags, and we're going to do another silhouette tutorial. This time we're going to do a card tutorial. One of my most pinned projects on Pinterest is a card I made out of a rainbow and clouds, and it's just a one-dimensional shape that you can turn into a card pretty easily. So let's go ahead and get started with that. So to start, the one that I originally used was the rainbow and cloud set here. So we'll go ahead and start with that one. What you want to do is decide, what pieces of the shape you want to use for the front of your card. So I do not want the cloud pieces per se. So we'll take those out. So this will be the front of my card. So to make the back side of the card, we're going to duplicate our shape, and then we are going to flip it vertically, and we're going to line it up right up top. Now we have some extra pieces here because it duplicated, or maybe it didn't, so it didn't duplicate. So what we're going to do is we're going to weld these pieces together, and we do not want to weld the parts of the rainbows here, so you have to kind of finagle it to not select those. So once you have the two pieces together, you can right click and click weld, and it will weld right here. So you can enlarge it and see how much space you have. That's where your card is going to fold. If you want a bigger space, you can double click and the edit points will come up, and you can drag them over, making them just a little bit bigger. Just like that. Okay. Now when we go to cut the card, select all and group it together so your pieces don't move. And then you can resize it any way you want. So another shape I thought would be pretty simple is this cloud set. Open that, we'll move our card to the side. So you could easily ungroup the shapes and take this cloud here. Let's get rid of some of these pieces that we're not going to use. You may use that. So take your cloud, duplicate it, then flip it, and you want to line up the pieces. Select them all together, right click, weld. So that's the base of your card. So what you could do is line this piece up. Probably need to make this just a little bigger. Select them all together and make it nice and big. So you have your card, which you could cut out in one piece. Then you could layer this on top, create this in a 3D shape on the front, just like that, and attach it to your card. So you can see from the pictures below the finished cards, and I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. Thanks for watching.